Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and right now I'm taking this video from the front-facing camera of Huawei P20 Pro smartphone. It comes with 24 megapixel front-facing camera capable of recording 1080p Full HD Plus video. So right now I'm just giving you an example. If you're going to use this phone for taking selfies or videos, so how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. So just a quick video. You can see the Eiffel Tower in the background. Right now I'm in Paris to attend the launch event of Huawei P20 and P20 Pro, and I'm capturing this image from my Huawei P20 Pro smartphone. So just a quick demo.
Really kind of you.
That's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.